Okay. See you later. We're here.
We are here at Sequoia National Park. Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
This is good. This is very good.
Behold.
Human for scale.
Teeny weeny Andy. In front of the Sentinel. The Sentinel. Isn't Sentinel a character in Transformers? The bad guy?
Megatron?
No, like it's like I am Sentinel.
I don't. Honestly, Transformers 1 and 2.
Oh,
Every other
Shia
Transformers
LaBeouf
is
only. Dudes, they're so cute.
I can't see the other one.
Yeah, it's like behind the tree. Oh, so cute. General Sherman. That one.
Hello. We are at the biggest living thing on Earth.
2,200 years.
Old.
Name some things it lived through.
Jesus Christ.
French Revolution. I just skipped way ahead.
The Renaissance.
Oh, Enlightenment.
Oh, that's basically Renaissance. Oh,
Scientific Revolution.
Jesus Christ.
Didn't you say that?
The Bible.
This
Half of the Bible.
That's like... Okay.
Very old. I feel like the oldest thing I know is Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Show it.
What else happens like right after Jesus?
It's really big.
What's in like the 1000s? Oh, like the Dark Ages. The bubonic plague.
The Vikings.
The Vikings.
Let's see.
Oh my god,
Feudal
someone wrote
Europe.
lube on this. Is it showing it?
Basically, the entire evening consisted of Monica being scared shitless by basically any sound in the wild. Any sound, anything, any shadow. No bears yet.
Stop! Ew, your foot. Move it. Cross you. We're watching Shrek 2 right now. And we set our beds up. Look at our little pillows. All our food. All our food and stuff is in the front. We were gonna watch Shrek 1 like we said earlier. But please explain what happened.
It's the Korean Shrek. Like, we got it in Korea, right? And so it says wrong region on
Literally,
the
it can
DVD
detect
player.
that it's a Korean DVD.
How can it detect a universal
DVDs were universal.
and say it's from Korea?
So now our donkey marathon, now our Shrek marathon is gonna start at Shrek 2
the real hero.
and end at Shrek 2.
Shrek 2.
We ate and then it started getting super dark, so we had to like hurry it up because we had to like fix the entire car and like put a mosquito net up and dump our food in the trash so the bears don't come. And then it was really scary because we had to walk in the dark.
And the trash can was freaking not opening.
Oh yeah, so we were there for like 2 more minutes than we should have been. It was scary, but we did it. And now we are watching the movie. Okay. We shall see you tomorrow. Bye.
Peace out.
Bye vlog day 1.
Farewell.
Sequoia National Park day 1.
Adieu. Hello. Day 2. Great morning. Monica didn't sleep very well last night, but I did. Cars are very uncomfortable to sleep in.
Oh, it's horrible.
But
I slept
our setup-
horribly. It looks good.
Yeah, I mean,
Like it's like spacious enough.
it's very spacious. It's just
It's just
you know,
hard as rock.
smile for the camera.
Hello. My hair looks crazy.
Yeah.
I have to rebraid it.
Look at our view though.
We washed our faces, you want to know?
We did. We're literally in the middle of nowhere, if you can see. But the sun is right there and it's shining through the trees. We look like it's like we're in Jurassic Park. Like literally, it's just us.
It's so beautiful during the day. It's so scary at night.
Yeah, it's pretty scary at night. Not gonna lie, but I mean, as long as we're in the car.
Yeah, you can't even see anything. Actually, after we turn the lights off, then you can actually see the trees. I don't think you notice. Like when we turn the night light off, then like the sky is actually lighter than the trees, so you can see all the silhouettes.
So the shadows.
It wasn't scary though.
Shadows.
It wasn't scary because I was so freaking tired and I just wanted to go to bed. I was like, please just let me go to sleep.
So do you want to describe our breakfast today?
Yeah, so today we're having sourdough bread with the mayo and chicken breast. We bought turkey and you have a bug on you.
Oh. And what else?
And then we're gonna have a fruit. So Andy's eating a banana, I'm eating an apple, and then
yummy.
a Cliff Bar.
Cliff Bar.
The
Yes.
cool mint ones.
And
Caffeine.
we also
And
had a
had
cup of coffee.
this morning, which is why I'm not dying right now.
Yeah, she had a rough night. Very rough night.
This is me looking at Andy asleep.
Every time I woke up,
And he's snoring too.
every time I woke up, I'd be like, "So have you slept?"
I was like, no.
No.
Okay, we're gonna eat now.
Okay.
So today we're going hiking. So we'll update when we're doing that.
Yes, sir. Farewell.
bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
We're leaving our campsite from the first day. Oh! What?
Squirrel. Did I run it over? I didn't run it over.
Andy,
dear God,
what the?
There's
no reason to scream that much because of a squirrel.
Dude, do you want to kill the squirrel right now?
No, but you're not going to. A squirrel's so much smarter.
No, it was literally right there.
Dude, I saw it.
Yeah,
Go into
'cause
the
I
grass.
stopped,
No,
my guy.
not because you stopped.
Yes, because I stopped.
Dude.
I just don't want to harm the squirrel.
Okay.
What's wrong with that? And I've never had an experience where the squirrel runs under my wheels. You know? Or very close to my...
Anyway, our first fight of the day. Just kidding. Stay tuned for many more. Once again,
Stuck in traffic.
stuck in stupid construction zone.
What video?
Ready for the bears?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do if you see one? I'm gonna sprint back. We're going to a waterfall.
Look how tall that is.
This is where the
That's where we're
campgrounds
going.
are. Yeah, we're
Okay.
going all the way to the top. We're at our campsite. Just be quieter.
We're at a campsite.
There's already like a fire pit made,
Yeah,
but
it's
we're obviously
huge
not
here.
using it.
Like, you should
But like
show this
yesterday,
video.
I'm pretty sure we showed it yesterday, and it was like tiny. It was like a parking spot. That's it.
This is like a dispersed.
But like, there's already a
campground.
person like parked over there. There's like an RV over there and like a tent over there. It's very nice,
No, it's pretty good.
but there's no bathroom.
No bathroom. But there's so many spots here that in this.
If we really wanted to go, we could just drive over and then come back.
Yeah.
So
I think we're chilling.
now we're gonna eat.
We're gonna make some plans.
Gosh.
There's a lot of bugs here.
And our bug repellent is really not doing anything.
It's really not doing anything. There's literally a bug on her hand as we speak.
Dinner.
Yummy.
This trip has been very unkind to me. Hello.
Hi.
Night of day 2. Tomorrow.
Yes.
You can see my sunburn coming in. My face is a little bit hot too. We're in bed.
We're playing crosswords again because we have nothing better to do.
They're fun though.
They're fun.
And they're also like enlightening.
Yeah, we got here earlier, so
It was so much better.
Yeah.
We washed our faces, we brushed our teeth, we ate like a good meal.
yeah, a good hearty meal.
And there's also like lots of people around us.
Yeah, this one feels more like a conventional campground.
Yeah, agreed. Also, we set up our beds a lot better this time, I think. I took Andy's pillow, and so...
Yeah, I'm using this air pillow thingy.
Yeah. We didn't charge the DVD player, so I'm probably gonna watch like a third of Shrek 2. But it's okay, I can just finish the end of it if you want me to. I know that movie already so well.
Oh, line by line.
Literally. I also knocked out in the car
Oh, yeah?
when we hit construction. I pieced out, and I didn't even do it on purpose. I was
She
so
was
tired.
literally staring at the road, and at the
I was
the
like,
next time I looked at her,
This
she
me.
was...
Dude,
eyes
the
closed.
traffic sucks so bad.
It was so sudden, and then...
No, literally, that's how it felt for me
Yeah,
too.
but then...
Anyway, I have 2 bug bites on my arm. I'll show you.
And on your face.
Oh, I think that a bug bit my face when I was brushing my teeth, but you can't really see it. They're itchy. And he has one
Anyways.
on his ankle,
Yeah.
but it hurts apparently.
It hurt the first day, I think, because...
Dude, my face is so red right now. It's
I don't think
hot.
I'm red. Am I red? I'm not red.
No,
I'm chill.
it's because I got sunburn.
Because you're
Okay.
not wearing a hat.
We're gonna keep playing crosswords
So we will see you later.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Good night.
Bye.
Day 3.
Day 3, I have a bloody nose.
Bloody nose. We have so many bug bites. I got bit on my face again, right there.
But we're doing fine.
But we're good. We're about to pee and eat. We didn't eat yet. But last night was good for me and not as good for Andy.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I just...
We had a little trade-off. We're gonna go to little shoddy with the body.
A little shoddy with the body.
Little Baldy, which is like a, what, 3.7 hike?
Yes, 3.4.
Okay.
7.7. We're good.
And then we're
Great
gonna
views,
just do
apparently.
some driving around before we leave.
We're gonna go to Kings Canyon today,
Yes.
which we really haven't seen too much of at all.
We haven't. We saw like an overlook a little bit.
It's kind of weird overlook. It was like right at the beginning. There's a
Yeah.
bunch of trees in front of us too.
Okay. Well, see you later. I just realized I'm wearing UMich and University of Pittsburgh. Our FUC has sunburn today, so I'm repping all colleges. We're eating our sandwiches.
Next to the bathroom.
I'm excited to take a shower also.
3 days, baby, without a shower.
2.
Yeah, because you showered in the morning. 3 sounds cooler though.
Yeah.
It means we're officially wilderness explorers.
Sorry there's no outro to this video. We were absolutely exhausted driving home, but I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you next time.